Happy New Year. What's up? What's up? What's up, good people? So, I want to take a little bit of your time to go over a summary of some of the things that life insurance can do. A lot of times people think life insurance is just about death, and that is simply not the case. So, let's look at a few items that life insurance can be used to help you and your family and your organization or whatever it is you like to create a legacy for. So, of course, we talk about generational wealth here at River Rock Financial Group, and generational wealth is one of the four most talked about topics today. So, when you talk about generational wealth, or when you hear somebody talking about it, essentially what you're talking about is money that outlasts you. I really don't like to use the term money, so we'll say wealth or resources that go beyond your lifetime. And so when you think of generational wealth, you think of certain families on in the world, the Rockefellers, the Vanderbilts. There are a lot of families that you've heard of and haven't heard of, but generational wealth is the one thing that life insurance has been and will continue to be used to do, okay, to create. Tax-free accumulation. What tax-free accumulation is where money is growing without the taxation. Now, it doesn't mean that when you withdraw that money, it won't be taxed. However, there are ways legally to limit your tax liability. Okay. I'm not going to get into that. Then living benefits. Living benefits are amounts of money or having access to your policy face value. I've talked about this in previous videos, but living benefits are where you can take part of the face value of your policy. For example, real quickly, if you have a $500,000 life insurance policy and you get a critical, terminal, or chronic illness, you can then access part of the 500,000. Okay, that's a short summary. Income protection, also known as disability income protection. You know, the funny thing is people don't realize they need something until they need it. And a lot of times it's for a lack of planning. So disability income protection can be used for business owners and or individuals uh, in a private setting. Mortgage protection, not to be confused with private mortgage insurance, which does not cover you. Mortgage protection, which can be combined with living benefits, protects you, not the mortgage company. Okay. The annuities. Annuities are a great way to create generational wealth and combine to a policy, to a life insurance policy, whether it's term or whole, or what some people are calling cash value. I hate to use that term, cash value. Just say whole life policy, people. Cash value or term policy. An annuity is a great alternative to a IUL, which is what I'm going to talk about next. Index universal life policy. Real short and sweet. The index is what the policy uses to gain interest. Okay. Kind of like a stock or a bond, but it's not a stock or a bond. So essentially, what the life insurance policy is doing is taking part of your premium and then attaching that to the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ. You've heard these terms on TV, and then you gain interest. Now, the difference is with an annuity is guaranteed interest. With the IUL, it's going to do whatever the stock market does that it's attached to. I hope I'm making sense. Then retirement strategies. Okay, so uh, some people don't retire, some people refire. However you want to do it. A life insurance policies can be used as a retirement strategy. And then, of course, last but not least, secure legacy planning, aka final expense, aka death insurance, aka burial insurance, whatever you like to call it, leaving a legacy behind so that your loved ones are not burdened with the final expenses, which, by the way, can also be used for other expenses as well. Okay. Now, reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube about any one of these strategies. And I've done several videos on I think just about every one of these topics. So until next time, people have a great day. Happy New Year. Hope it's starting out great for you. And until next time, be successful.